You probably use your phone hundreds of times a day, but have you ever stopped to wonder what's inside?
So let's peel this thing apart layer by layer and see what really makes it tick. Okay, first things first, the display. It's our window to the digital world, but it's actually multiple layers. There's tough glass for scratches, a digitizer that feels your touch, and an OLED panel for those amazing colors.
See that little tray? It holds your SIM card, which is how your phone connects to the network.
Now for the eyes of the phone, the camera. It's got different lenses for different kinds of shots. We're talking up to 200 megapixels. The detail they can capture is just wow. All right, let's go deeper. We're getting to the main circuit board now, the real heart of the phone. And this right here is the processor. Think of it as the phone's brain, doing all the thinking. This tiny chip can perform billions of operations every single second. Just incredible, right? Let's talk memory. RAM is super fast temporary memory while storage holds things permanently. So your operating system, apps, photos, all of it lives right here on the permanent storage chip. So how does it connect to anything? That's the job of the antennas, hidden away in the frame. Of course, none of this would work without power. That comes from the battery, the biggest part in here. So much incredible technology all packed into something that fits in your hand. Makes you wonder, what's next?